Hey guys, I'm just making another part 2 of the importance of engagement, and I think I found one of the reason is that so let's say when you get into state a lot, like what happens? I mean, I have seen this with a lot of people. Like you see my engagement, just coming often, but just coming after a lot of repetition of sets, and I feel I have seen this, like when I do naturally, it just fucking happens like that. Like see, my engagement is like so awesome, like it's very good when at the start, and it's happening. It's because I would say, like like when you don't consume alcohol, when you don't do anything, but when you get into the state of that, when you continuously get into the state, you just have this, and it's like just like it's like you're not doing anything, but just getting done by you. Like you're just getting energy from somewhere, and you're just getting open up, and you're just getting out like this. And this is what I think Tadar has been saying. It's just like there are some quotes that I've seen from a lot of people. It took me around like 2-3 years just to understand that one line, and I think I just got the sense of what is the word by taking in the energy, shooting out the energy. I'm just taking it from environment, taking in the energy from the environment, taking in the energy from my music, from my doing sets from other people, and then just shooting out the energy. When I do more and more and more, I tend to get into state a lot. Like see my engagement right now, just vibrating. It is very vibrant and very wonderful. I can engage any sets right now. So that's what I have found. Like I just tend to get addicted on that, just to feel this, like just like get, like I don't want to do anything, just get energy from somewhere. But I just have you have to fucking believe that you have to fucking do that. It's not gonna open, like this the valve, the energy is not gonna open up when you just fucking don't do anything. If you do something, then it's gonna start and it's gonna open up. That's very very important, super super important, that you do not get addicted on that, and do not get addicted on tapping into the energy without doing any action. Like don't do action, it's not gonna happen. And it's just my case. I don't know. It's not a normal case. You could say that happen to normal people, but it's just my case. I tend to find that I'm not getting like I sometimes feel like at the start of the day it's very hard. Just I don't want to. And it's just I want to do, but it's just like I'm just tapping into that thing, that reserve, that flow of energy. And I'm so addicted on that that I just don't want to do anything. Just like just let this thing come. Like for example, like right now I'm not like I'm saying like just I'm not putting down my energy, which is cutting. This was the part of the puzzle that I think just realized now. There will be a lot of things like that that's gonna come up and that's gonna happen, but